Meghalaya Congress has questioned the state government for reportedly spending too much on festivals. Congress leader Saleng Sangma said the same could have been well spent on addressing the common issues of the public. He said that while the rich enjoys such festivals, the poor continues to suffer. He further referred to the non-release of scholarship fund to the students, non-payment of salary to teachers and others. He asked the government to balance its expenditure, stating that every citizen matters and not just a few in the upper echelons.
It's a good on the part of the government to bring the international artists to showcase here with an place. But spending so much of resources by not balancing our own people, it does not look little good actually. But on the other way around, it was good. Okay, but on the other way around, when you look at the real picture of the Meghalaya, whether we are, we are fit to enjoy in a such way, great pomp and like that, because when the others are suffering, for example, the students haven't got their what do you call it, scholarships, and then some teachers they haven't got their salaries also, and some departments they haven't paid their DA, all kinds of thing, and even the district council in Garo Hills, though there was big celebrations of Megong festival, but maximum of the people cannot enjoy even the Christmas also.
The vision to make India a developed nation